Now in this video, we'll see the button that we made carry out an action. Specifically, it will print all the information we entered in the form of a legal citation. You may notice everything is now defined, because when we were simply creating text boxes, we didn't need to define them. But the contents in them requires that we create a variable around them. The first thing we had to do was create a command named alert. We passed that into the def function, which the thing that sets off the alert, obviously, is the button being pressed. So let's scroll down to the button. Let's scroll down to the button, and we have a command named alert. Now we want the button to pull data from each of the entry boxes that we made in the past video, so we do that using the get function. Now this took a while to figure out, but the program didn't run when these two lines were on one line. The placing of the text box confused the get function. It's generally better to have short lines than long ones anyway. So now let's pull up the button, which we've already entered all the information we have on a case, and then click submit, and it'll print the plaintiff, defendant, volume number, report abbreviation. It'll print all of this in the form of a legal citation onto the command prompt. And in the next video, we'll try to make this look a little bit more official in the form of a legal citation. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Smoak.